Hello and welcome to SolarSecurity.com. You know, Windows 10 is out, latest operating system, and the new and the last ever operating system. And SolarSecurity.com is showing this video of how to activate and install operating system. I'm using a VMware workstation. Also, I've got activation, Windows 10 activation. It's a 6-in-1. 6 versions, different versions. It's kind of complicated, but we'll make it very easy. I've got the operating system here. If you want to install, just run any software which makes bootable. This is bootable. I'm using WinISO, and just burn if you need to run through your laptop or a PC. But I'm using VMware, so let me run the VMware, and then we'll just make an installation. Just say create virtual machine, next. And is on desktop 10, 6-in-1, 32 and 64-bit. Say next, Windows 10, 64, next, usual stuff. This is the VMware, then we'll just make an installation. And activation is very easy. We can actually upgrade to Enterprise, which is the most advanced used one. And it is very easy to do. It takes about 1.5 hours to make all installation and to restart a couple of times, about 4 to 5 times. The Windows will restart again and again. Let's have a look. Just say United Kingdom, next, install, and then it just goes same procedure as any other operating system. Windows 8, it looks like Windows 8. Most of the things are like Windows 8. Okay, we've got a 6 here, home, professional, enterprise, 32 and 64-bit. The first thing we need to do, which is very important, is just to install a professional 64-bit, and then we'll upgrade to enterprise using a key. Next, and after that, just say install and custom installation. It's always good to install a clean installation, this kind of operating system, and that's it. It's going to take about 1.5 hours things to be installed. And one thing very important is, if you do need this software and the key and installation, just donate and I'll send it to you. We'll come back when everything is ready. Okay, after about 45 minutes, it says it's time to enter the product key. We just say no, we don't want to enter. This is a trick from Microsoft. Just say do it later. Just say use express settings, same as Windows 8 and Windows 7 as well. Then it's slightly different now. Once we see different screen, we just have to input the details of the user and the password. We have to put the password because we need to do something later to change the pictures. Just say I own it. Who owns a PC? This is mine. Just say next, and it's just waiting. Then after this, you will see hi and similar thing. Just say skip this step because we don't want to do that. Then after that, just put the Solar Security, and then I have to put the password because I need to change pictures after. Password one more time, and then usual stuff, hint, just say next. And remember something very important, just disable the update from Microsoft, because they are collecting everything nowadays. A couple of days ago in America, a guy left updating his Windows 10, and next morning his wife woke up and there was a slideshow of his collection of pornography from my pictures. So the Windows 10 was doing all the things for him. Luckily, Mrs. stayed with him. So make sure you disable. It's not about them knowing that this is registered with a fake key or whatever. It's not like that. They just collect everything from your email and from everything they collect through the upgrade and update. So what we need to do is, I'll show it to you. Actually, what they did is a clever thing, is they disabled usual place Windows 8 and 7. We used to disable the update. What they did was they hid under the services.msc. So we just have to go there and disable it from there. There won't be any update whatsoever. Just let's wait this settings of apps. This won't take long, and then after the system comes back, then we'll come back. Okay, Windows is here. It's a really beautiful looking piece of software. The first thing you notice is search, web, and Windows. You don't have to go anywhere. Just search everything from here. So the first thing I do is I just disable msconfig automatically here. This command. What we need to disable is UAC because it's very annoying and it's useless to use anyway. UAC, launch, drop down this one. Okay. You're not going to see these things anymore. And then second thing we need to do is just go to the services. Services.msc. Then we have to disable the update. You can disable it from here now because Microsoft's trying to be, clever. Okay, let's have a look. Windows Update. Yeah, it's here. It's running. Just say disable, apply, disabled. Okay, that's done. Then if you're using a normal system, a laptop or PC, there's nothing else to do. But if you're using a VMware, then you have to install VMware tools, usual stuff. Double click here, and this one will install, and we'll restart the system. Once that's done, then I can drag and drop the files for the activation and the start menu I need. Once I restart the system, then I'll come back and we'll take it from there. As we can see, the system is back, and I dragged and dropped a couple of folders, start menu, which is good because if you look this one built in, from this side it looks like Windows 8 or 8.1, but still I cannot find the program files and usual classic stuff. So that's what we have to use for this. And Windows Activate is here, and the only thing I need to do is just double click this one, right click, and just say run as administrator, and then rest of the activation will be done from here. But it's not finished because this is not actually activating. We need to use upgrade version of the software. Activate, easy activator. Just keep looking this the information console, and then we can see system to KMS attempting to activate the Microsoft Windows, installing, and then everything is done. You see, successfully installed, and only installation. But if I go and right click here and just say a property, Windows not activated yet, that's not a problem at all. So the only thing I need to do is just go to activate Windows, and then what I need to do is just change product key, and then I just put this product key. You cannot actually see it. If you need this key and the rest of the software, you can always donate, and I can email it to you and link. It's quite heavy software, but still I can send it to you. It's not a big deal at all. E2 C8, you can actually see, so H9 72L 2YT 55. Yeah, and just have a look here. Now the upgrade option will come. This is the trick. You see, upgrade your edition of the Windows, usual stuff, and it will restart after. Just start upgrading. So this upgrade, it takes about less than 2 minutes to upgrade. It's really fast upgrade, so you don't have to wait. It's not usual a long upgrade because the key plus KMS, Auto KMS, Microsoft Toolkit work together to create this upgrade. And if I go back here while the system is running, this edition is let me go to File Explorer while this one is running. Keep on like this. Just if I right click and say properties, you see that was professional. Well, we could not see it because the system restarted. It was professional, and now upgrade is done. Once the system restarts and comes back, we'll just have to look and check if upgrade and everything else is successful. Try to update now. It's not updating at all. This is a fake actually. It's not updating at all. Okay, system's back. It says edition upgrade completed. You're all done on your PC. It's ready to go. Just let's say close. Let's have a look what happened. Right click this PC, a property. What do you see? Windows activation, Windows activated, and we've got Windows 10 Enterprise. That's very easy. And then second thing I need to do is just let me install. Now you see here nothing. Then let me install this software. Next, is fully activated, pre-activated, so you don't need to do anything at all. As soon as the software finishes, just say run, and then you'll see everything running smoothly. After that, then we just have to try the picture. One of my favorite feature on Windows 8, 8.1, and this window as well. You see now? Yeah, that's Edge. No more Internet Explorer. So that's it. See? This is absolutely beautiful. This is actually looks nice. Restart, undock, switch off, hibernate, sleep, restart, lock, similar things. Everything is in there. Excellent. Okay, now the last thing I need to do is I've got a picture of my son here with a young lady. So I just have to go to pictures and set the password picture. That's it. And then you can select any picture. Just you have to add a password to make sure you're who you are. Just say enter, choose password, and then double click there. That password, that's my son. And this a friend of his. Use this picture. Okay, click that. And now let's select 3 different things. This 3 gestures of the image you can just select. If you don't remember, then you can always use your password. So let me select here, this drink, and this one. One more time, if everything is okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, done. Congratulations. Finish. Go on from here, and then let me log out and log in back. Log off. That's it. And then now the system is locked with your. If I click this one now, you see now you don't have to use anything at all. Just go 1, 2, 3. See, it's working absolutely perfectly fine. No problem at all. And then you can always, change this one. Start it. It works a similar way. If you want to manage, and it does a lot of nice things really. Browse, any updates, anything at all. Just double click that one. You don't have to do anything else at all. Just go back again. This is one of my favorite things when I want to waste my time. Sign out. Now, once I come back, I'll see the similar thing. To log out and log in. You see, there and there. That's done. So you can just sign in. You go here, here the water, and here. And you are in. It's got so many nice things, really. I think I didn't like Windows 8 or 8.1. I will definitely use this one ASAP. And, usual stuff. Anyway, if you do need this, the key, and the start menu, then you can just donate on solarsecurity.com, PayPal, and I will definitely send it to you. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Just like, comment, and we'll definitely do some other tutorials. Thank you.